my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a backpack haul. I recently shared with you people my H&M handbag haul. You can watch it. I'll provide link in description box, or you can visit my channel as well because I have shared so many hauls. So let's start with this one. I have ordered 4 backpack, from which one of these I got in this packaging, this box packaging. So inside it I got the backpack in this white paper packaging. You can see I love the packaging of H&M. This is my first backpack. You can see how beautiful and cute is this backpack. So over here it was written that this one is a small backpack, but you can say it's a mini backpack as well. So it's very small in size, and the price tag you can see here, it was for 14.99, and I got this for rupees 1050 only. And the dimensions of this are length 21 centimeter. That's it. So that's all about the dimension. And it comes with this compartment. It's very spacious, very good quality bag. So you can put your stuff in this, like important stuff or whatever you want. And the inside part is very spacious, and it's so really very good quality. Stitching is very fine, and it's like very soft. I think something they have inserted in this, like foam kind of thing. So it's padded, it's not padded. So you can see inside it they have a tag of a divided collection over here. So this one is from the divided collection of H&M, and this all is about washing gear. So this is the bag, small backpack. This one is in pink color. It's really very pretty. Now let me show you my other bags, which are again from H&M. And even I got this big box also. I will show you in my next video, clothing haul from H&M. So you can subscribe my channel for this. This is the box in which I got my other 2 bags. So let me show you. 1 and 2. You can keep it aside. Let's see which bag is in this. So this is a beige color backpack. There is no paper stuffing inside, that's why it look like this. So, but it's really very good. You can see it's a velvety kind of texture here, and these are golden chain compartments. You can put your stuff inside these compartments. So these are 2 pockets over here. You can use it. There is no zipper compartment at the back, and the quality of the straps, you can see it's a simple non-padded straps. Okay, so this is the handle. We have given you this handle, and this is all about it. And the straps are adjustable. They come with these golden buckles. Price I have over here. So this one is also from divided collection, and the price is 2000. So its price is 2000, and I got this for only 999 rupees. I mean 1000 rupees, you can say. So it was on sale. You can have this in other colors also. This one is available in black, gray, and I think one more color. So this one is also very spacious. This is padded, back is padded. This one is not padded part. So you can put your stuff, you put so many stuff in this, a bottle and a towel, makeup, whatever you want. So it's books, laptop, I don't think you can carry in this. Mini laptop you can carry in this, iPads you can carry in this. So this is how the product looks. And if you ask me the size, so the size is 23 centimeter in length. So its length is 23 centimeter. So you can get the idea. Okay, again next bag, which is from the same category. Actually I have ordered gray, and they have sent me black by mistake, or I don't know how it happened. So I got this in black color, but I ordered in gray. And the gray, when I went to the mall, I really like that gray color, so I ordered it because in the mall that was not on sale. that was on original price MRP 2000, but I saw that grape in sale and I just ordered that, and I was so happy that I will get that in 999 only. But they have sent me black, and I'll keep it, or should I return it or I keep it? I don't know. So you guys can tell me in the comment section how the bag looks. So this is the same bag, there is nothing different in this. It comes with the silver buckles, that is the only different thing. So this one comes with silver buckles, and it's really spacious. So zipper pe you have this leather detailing, which is very nice, soft to open the zip. Again, padded part. This one is like waterproof kind of stuff, and the same thing, divided collection, tag, water, sorry, washing instructions over here, all this. So this is all about this bag. Okay, so I have more bags to show you, so I will show you in next video. Till then, you can subscribe my channel, and bye bye, take care.